Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 digital oscilloscope. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Hantek DS02C10. Specifications. Brand name, Hantek. Model, DS02C10. Channels, 2ch. Bandwidth, 100 MHz. Sample rate, 1 GSA/s. Storage depth, 8 m. Rise time at BNC, typical 3.5 ns. Display type, 7-inch TFT LCD display. DIY supplies, electrical. Item number 4 is Owen SDS1102 Digital Oscilloscope. Specifications. Brand name, Owen. Model number, SDS1102. Max waveform capture rate, 50,000 WFM/s. Record length, 10K. Display size, 7 inches and above. Display resolution, 800 by 480 pixels. DIY supplies, electrical. Bandwidth, 100 MHz. Digital channels, 2. Certification, CE. As the item number 3 we've selected, Rigol DH0914. Specifications. Brand name, Rigol. Model number, DH0914. Max waveform capture rate, 1,000,000 WFM/s. Record length, 50 mpts. Display size, 7 inches and above. Display resolution, 1024 by 600 pixels. DIY supplies, electrical. Bandwidth, 100 to 349 MHz. Digital channels, 4. Item number 2 is Rigol Super Light Digital Oscilloscope. Specifications. Brand name, Rigol. Model, DH0800. Max waveform capture rate, 30,000 WFM/s. Record length, 25 mpts. Display size, 7 inches and above. Display resolution, 1024 by 600 pixels. DIY supplies, electrical. Digital channels, 1. Certification, CE. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Siglent SDS800X. Specifications. Brand name, Siglent. DIY supplies, electrical. Sampling rate, 2 GSA/s, single channel mode. Vertical resolution, 12-bit, Aries mode 15-bit. Enhanced resolution, 3-bit. Digital channel, 16 channels. Frequency meter, FFT.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.